Hello everybody, my name is Alesh Eisner and welcome to the Canadian Money Talk, the channel about Canadian investing and personal finance. Please like and subscribe. I record 2 videos per week, so make sure you ring the notification bell to get notified each time one comes out. This is my weekly thoughts on market happenings for the week ending November 5th, 2021. The indexes for the week were up in the US and Canada, while oil was down for the week. The US Fed confirmed tapering of bond buying by 15 billion out of the 80 billion on a monthly basis starting in November, but they're going to leave the rates alone. They are going to continue in the tapering in subsequent months. OSFI, or the Office of the Superintendent of Financial Institutions, is going to let Canadian banks and financial institutions raise dividends and raise executive pay again. So immediately, Manulife announced a dividend sweetener on Friday morning and said that it's planning to repurchase up to 39 million of its common shares. As for the banks, late on Friday, the Credit Suisse analyst Mike Rizvanovich reiterated his view in a note to clients that national and BMO banks are going to have the most upside potential to raise their payouts. He also said that TD has the most firepower for share buybacks. Uh, Canadian Natural Resources, CNQ, had a good quarter and raised its dividend as well. Now, in Canada's job market, it was a bit of a letdown last month as 31,200 jobs were added compared to the 41,600 jobs the economists anticipated. No doubt it was a dramatic downshift from September when 157,100 positions were created. Going through the details, the economic reopening story is evident as 80,500 wholesale and retail trade jobs were added. Over in the US, job growth spiked to 531,000 in non-farm payrolls from an upwardly revised 312,000 in September. The US jobs market snapped back in October with non-farm payrolls rising the 531,000, more than the 450,000 expected by economists, as polled by Dow Jones. The unemployment rate in the US fell to 4.6%, the Labor Department reported on Friday. So overall, we're looking pretty good in the jobs market on both sides of the border. China is experiencing a slowdown. There was a warning that expansion will fall short this year of the 8.2% anticipated growth by the consensus of economists. The slump could last into next year, forcing growth below 5%, they warn. Next week, we are going to be seeing Canadian companies continue to report, including a bunch of companies that I own personally. So it's going to be an exciting week. US companies are going to continue their quarterly reports, but the lion's share has already gone. Now, in the US, both the Consumer Price Index and Producer Price Index are on the calendar in this coming week. And finally, something announced just very late Friday, the US government has finally agreed to an infrastructure bill totaling $1 trillion, a little under the amount that most people were hoping for. The spending is on everything from bridges and roads to clean water and 5G networks. So that concludes the report for the week ending November 5th, 2021. If you have any requests on what you'd like me to cover in future videos, please put that into the comment section. Please like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and may you have a profitable day.